Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to fix DKIM alignment failed. So there are two modes of the DKIM identifier alignment. The strict mode requires the exact match of the domains. The relaxed mode requires that only the organizational domains match, allowing the use of subdomain in either of the fields. So the DKIM identifier alignment mode is set in the DMARC record in the add KIM equals tag. For example, v equals dmark1, p equals reject, rua equals mail2, email at example.com, ruf equals email2 at example.com, and adkim equals r, and fo equals 1. If the adkim equals tag is absent, email receivers apply the relaxed mode by default. In the event if the domain didn't match according to the specified mode, the recipient server returns the response that DKIM alignment failed. This may be a case of a domain spoofing and senders impersonating attack. That's it. Thanks for watching.